Let's cut through the noise. Crypto trading is simply buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum to make a profit. But there's more to it than just clicking a button and watching your money grow. It's a world where technology, finance, and psychology all collide. It's like stock trading, but instead of company shares, you're dealing with digital assets that exist only online. These assets can be traded 24/7, unlike traditional markets that close at the end of the day. The goal? Buy low, sell high. Simple in theory, tricky in practice. Prices can swing wildly in minutes, and timing is everything. All this action happens on online exchanges. Think Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. These platforms connect buyers and sellers from all over the world, making the market truly global. You deposit regular money, swap it for crypto, and try to outsmart the market. It's a constant game of strategy and nerves. Unlike long-term investors who hold for years, traders focus on short-term price swings, sometimes buying and selling within hours or even minutes. This could be day trading or swing trading, but the aim is always to profit from price movements, no matter how small or large. Crypto trading is about making quick decisions, not just holding on and hoping for the best. Every second counts, and hesitation can cost you. It's fast-paced, risky, and fortunes can change in minutes. The thrill and the danger go hand in hand. Before you jump in, know that it's not as easy as it sounds. The learning curve can be steep and mistakes can be costly. You need to watch the charts, understand the market, and be ready for anything. Staying informed and adapting quickly is key. It's exciting, but you have to be prepared for the ups and downs. Emotional control is just as important as technical skill. So, are you ready to dive in, or just here for the ride? The choice is yours, but remember, knowledge and preparation are your best tools in this fast-moving world. Crypto prices swing wildly because of supply and demand. There's only so much Bitcoin, and when everyone wants it, prices soar. If panic hits and people sell, prices crash fast. News and hype play a huge role. A single tweet from a celebrity can send prices skyrocketing or plummeting. The market is young, with little historical data, so every rumor or update can cause chaos. No one really knows what these assets are worth, which fuels uncertainty and volatility. Most trading is driven by speculation, people hoping to sell to someone else for more. This greater fool theory makes the market unpredictable. Quick profits lure people in, but fear can send them running just as quickly. That's why crypto feels like a roller coaster. Thrilling, but not for the faint of heart. Comparing crypto to the stock market is like a speedboat versus a cruise ship. One is built for speed and excitement, darting around obstacles, while the other is steady, reliable, and moves with purpose. Stocks are tied to real companies and move slowly. Their value is grounded in business fundamentals, earnings, and long-term growth. Crypto is fast, volatile, and driven by belief and potential. Prices can skyrocket or crash based on hype, news, or even a single tweet. Stocks might move a few percent in a day. Big news might shake things up, but wild swings are rare. Crypto can swing 20% or more in hours. Sudden surges and crashes are part of the landscape, making it thrilling but risky. The stock market has set hours and is heavily regulated. When the bell rings, trading stops until the next day. Crypto never sleeps. It's 24/7, 365 days a year, and global. No matter where you are, the market is always open. You can wake up to huge gains or losses overnight. The action never stops, even while you sleep. Regulation is another big difference. Stocks are protected by strict rules, with agencies watching for fraud and manipulation. While crypto is still the Wild West, with fewer rules and less oversight, making it both exciting and unpredictable. Fewer safety nets mean more risk. Scams, hacks, and manipulation are real threats. You have to be extra cautious. The freedom of crypto comes with higher stakes. You're in control, but you also bear the consequences. It's a trade-off, more opportunity, but also more danger. The rewards can be huge, but so can the risks. If you want stability, stocks are safer. They're designed for steady, long-term growth and peace of mind. If you crave action and risk, crypto's your game. It's a world of adrenaline and constant change. Just know what you're signing up for, and always do your research before diving in. Who's moving the market? First, retail investors, regular people trading small amounts. When a coin goes viral, their collective buying can send prices soaring. Then there are whales, big holders who can crash or pump prices with a single trade. Institutions like hedge funds and corporations bring huge money and legitimacy, often sparking rallies. And don't forget the bots, automated programs making thousands of trades in seconds, adding speed and volatility. Each group plays a role, but together they create the wild swings that define crypto. It's a market where anyone can make waves, but the biggest players make the biggest splashes. Crypto trading is high risk, high reward. Yes, some people have turned small investments into millions thanks to wild price swings, but for every success, there are countless stories of huge losses. You can lose everything. Never trade money you can't afford to lose. Scams and hacks are everywhere, so protect your accounts and use secure wallets. The technology is exciting and could change the world, but speculation is risky. Do your research, manage your risk, and stay alert. The potential rewards are real, but so are the dangers. Balance your excitement with caution. In crypto, fortune favors the smart and the careful. Ready to start? Taking your first steps into the world of crypto can feel both exciting and overwhelming, but with the right approach, you'll set yourself up for success. First, educate yourself. Learn how blockchain and crypto work before investing a cent. Read articles, watch videos, and ask questions to build a solid foundation. Don't buy just because of hype. Understand what you're getting into. Take time to research projects and avoid making decisions based on fear of missing out. Start with established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, as these have a proven track record and are less risky than newer, untested tokens. And begin with a small amount, only what you can afford to lose. Think of it as planting a seed for your financial education. Use this as learning money to get comfortable with exchanges and market swings. Experience is the best teacher, so start slow and observe. Always have a plan. Know your goals, whether it's long-term growth or short-term gains. Set your entry and exit points before you buy, and stick to them even when emotions run high. Write down your strategy to avoid emotional decisions. This will help you stay disciplined and focused. The crypto market is exciting but unpredictable, with prices that can change in seconds. Prices move on news, hype, and the actions of everyone from retail traders to bots. Huge rewards are possible, but so are big losses. Be prepared for ups and downs, and never let short-term swings shake your confidence. Educate yourself, start small, and stick to your plan. Consistency and patience are your best allies. Stay humble, stay safe, and never risk more than you can lose. Remember, your journey in crypto is just beginning. Take it one step at a time.